It's a pube.
Oh, come on, you filthy blah blah.
Wait. White girl wasted on the floor.
That was nasty.
Who shit in the gloves?
In the video, we got fucking naked.
Ew.
Okay, Caitlin, time for dinner.
Oh my god.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
No, it's mine.
Yes, it's yours now. I'll give it to you. So we are here today doing a mukbang. Oh my god, it's my favorite thing in the world. I love to watch these videos on YouTube. So I just thought, why not?
Yeah.
Why not? He gotta eat. She gotta eat. We gonna
fat
eat.
Friend.
Oh my gosh, shut up. Okay, so today we have a Chinese mukbang for you guys. Oh my god. Smell the aromas of all the Chinese food. It's so good. This is so good. So yeah, we're in the middle of a heat wave and I feel like my body's melting.
Your body has melted.
Oh my god, it's just melting away. Okay. So you got the plates, right?
Yeah. I'm scared your chopsticks scared
Oh,
me.
okay, great. So these are mine. My little plate. We'll pop it here so you guys can see what we're
And
eating.
I'm the white friend.
Yeah. Oh, I haven't introduced you. Okay. This is...
I'm Roxanne, hi.
Okay, guys, make...
Listel.
She's literally like what? How tall are you?
4'9". Attitude 6'10" though.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I love that! I love! Okay, make sure you guys go follow her at her Instagram. What is it?
daddyvolvic.
That's DADDYVO.
VLIC.
Like the water brand.
Yeah.
So I'll put that to the side for now. And we'll like open up the Chinese food and see what we got, okay? So we got, ooh, what's this? We didn't order this. It's like chicken skewers. I think they give us for free. That's cute. Chicken balls.
Yeah, that's mine.
Oh my god.
These are actually not that bad
So
looking.
cool.
It is, and these are boiling.
Okay, and crispy crispy beef, I think this is.
Yeah, they'll look like the crispy.
Yeah,
beef.
crispy beef. And this is the ribs that we got too. And I think this is a curry because I ordered a curry because I was really looking forward to curry. And then egg fried rice.
Want me a cheeky bit of egg fried rice?
Oh my gosh. There's so much food. I didn't even realize how much food there is. Okay, and there's one more thing in the bag which I don't know what it is. I think it's your sauce.
Maybe. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, and then it's the sweetness.
Come on, lifestyle.
Come on, lifestyle, giving you some life. And then his sweet and sour sauce.
Oh, she a dribbler.
Ew. So we're just gonna eat, you know, and just talk shit.
Me being confused about what to do with the sauce. Want me a little bit of white trash.
A little bit.
Just a little bit, you know. Just the daily.
I think you should tell them more about yourself.
Well, where do we start? I'm 17.
Oh my god, you're like a tiny baby still.
I know, it's a shame, but I still get drunk anyway.
Oh my god, girl.
Illegal.
Illegal life.
And we met when we was in like what?
Primary school.
Yeah, we met in primary school, but we didn't become friends until like year 7, year 8.
Totally your fault. But everything's so warm.
That's what I was thinking. It's like they cooked it on the way.
Yeah, like the car. Oh, sorry.
These look like huge chicken nuggets.
They do. They look nice though.
They look nice.
They look
though.
great.
Oh.
So I just had like half a box of rice because I don't know.
I just had like the most chicken balls I've ever eaten in my life.
I love them. This is an epic mukbang. Okay, this curry looks like pumpkin.
White people loses food.
Like pumpkin, honey. That's not like pumpkin.
It kind of looks like you know the chip shop curry you get, which is really white.
Oh yeah.
It might be that actually, because it was a chip shop place.
It is a chip shop place as well, yeah. So maybe. But I'm sure it'd be great. So I just have some like curry.
Do you reckon they'll give us free food if we sponsored?
Oh my god.
For no, we sponsored you on YouTube. Give us free food. Whoa, Jesus Christ! Come on, acid orange.
That looks nice. That looks pang.
It is, I think.
Girl, you're fucking dripping all over the place. Okay. I'm gonna try one of these chicken sticks.
Yeah, go ahead.
Looks really good. Is it good?
It's good. It's kind of like honey, actually. I'm gonna try one of these actually as well.
This is so good.
Oh, look at those.
Oh my god. These are amazing. I'm talking mouthful. This is like an ASMR video as well.
I can't be sexy, so you just have to accept me being a fat person.
Oh my god, why do you want to be sexy whilst eating food? What?
I'm so sexy right now.
Heifer, you know what that ain't me.
I feel like a YouTuber.
Rice is good?
The rice is so good.
Yeah. Let's open these crispy chickens and crispy beef up. Because these look amazing. Oh my god, the ribs. Oh my god. I am orgasmically inclined.
You actually need to try this. It's so good.
Is it? Let me try it now.
It's actually the best chicken bowl I've ever had in my life.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just stir this crispy beef up because I feel like it's not stirred. It's not lit enough. Okay. Oh my god, I can smell it and it smells so good. Let's try some of this crispy beef. Okay. Like, try it together.
Whoa.
Yeah, ready?
That's shock. That's good.
Mm-hmm. It needs a bit more sauce. All the sauce is at the bottom.
Yeah.
Really
We've
good.
actually never bought food from here as well, which is weird.
Yeah. Spring Gardens.
It could have come out like utter crap. Yeah, but anyway, continuing on with anything that's important or relevant. We went to college together.
We did until I decided to drop it. Just give it to me. I'm just gonna bite it.
If you're ready, come get it. Na 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 na. Isn't it good?
That was really good.
Like, so
I really love that. You guys might like my Dua Lipa top.
good. You rules, innit?
I love Dua Lipa.
Tunnel Belstrom. You rules, innit?
But yeah, tell us more about yourself, Roxanne.
Yeah, and I do history and politics and that. Ancient history in college. And there's a lot more, but it's not coming to me.
How's it going though? How's your college going actually?
It's going okay, I'd say. If it goes bad, I'll just drop out and get a job.
I still think, I think college is just a waste of time. Personally myself, college is a shithole.
Well, I don't know, it's not that bad.
Okay, I don't want to get sued. I feel like I would get sued because that's how petty they are. Overbook their kids, like as in like their kids to teacher ratio is way off.
Yeah, but when you think about it, they teach things that they only can't, well, only college from here to Cardiff.
Me?
Neef doesn't teach that many subjects.
God, you're wearing a white top as well.
Clean up job.
Oh, you're like pressing it against your chest. I can't with you.
I'm praying it doesn't fall. I'm like, please, Jesus,
Oh my god, no.
This Chinese got me praying.
I was praying. No. Can they see my feet?
No.
Oh my god. Oh. Are you crazy right now? I think you're going crazy. I think you're going crazy. What's up?
It's like a whole chicken ball in my mouth. I was like, whoa.
Oh my god, I cannot wait to see that later when I go edit. I cannot wait. Oh my god, oh, did I tell you about when me and Fatima and Karis tried to do a mukbang but it failed so hard?
Well, someone throw up.
No. The camera didn't fucking record and we just sat and ate.
It's all
we literally just sat and ate to a camera like a unit.
covered.
Guys, the friggin' camera stopped recording and we just went through all of that. We almost ate all our food
I'm so evil.
I'm so annoying. But whatever, we'll try to salvage it. We'll do it again. What was the first memory you had of me?
You were so loud. So full of life, and everybody adored you. I was like,
yeah.
Like, cause I remember, like, when we were in, I forgot what the word is.
Secondary?
No, primary.
Oh, okay.
You were literally that person that everyone who I wanted to be friends with was friends with, and I was like, oh, you were like the Rihanna of the bunch. It was like
the Rihanna. Who was the Beyonce? But no, Rihanna's up here.
Beyonce's kind of like a queen, and then Rihanna's like a god.
Thank you. Yes.
Because, you know, Rihanna got standards.
Oh my god.
She not dating Jay-Z.
True. That is very true. But like, yeah, really. So when did you actually remember the first time you actually met me?
Yeah, actually. It was through Michaela Troy, for sure. And, it was because, like, we were all kind of like a semi-friend, semi-not-friend group.
Yeah.
And, like, I can't remember how, but, like, because she was friends with Natasha and Lucy and all those, so we kind of just all mixed and chatted, and you were so full of life, and I was like, whoa, wish I was full of life.
I loved how Fatima described me as, ooh, you described me as full of life. That's so sweet. So, yeah. When did we actually become proper friends?
Oh, I remember this. It was because basically.
Don't spill any of my tea on the fucking YouTube.
No, it's nothing to do with your tea. Actually, it's my tea.
Oh, okay. Spill away.
Me, Carrie Ann Kane, and Natasha were all friends, and Natasha was still a really big friend of Sam's from primary. And I remember, like, you guys started chatting one day, and I was like, oh my god, hi Sam, you know, we've had like 3 conversations before this. And then eventually, like, that one conversation turned into many, and we forged a huge group of friends who all we either kicked out or fucked off. We're not talking about them, they're irrelevant people.
No.
Bye! That was it, really.
Yeah.
And then I can't remember how we came close. I think it was... And, because, I was friends with the person involved, we became friends, and yeah. That sounds like you're using me, though.
What?
It sounds like you're using me if I said it like that, but like you didn't. We just became really close.
We did.
And we just really stuck through thick and thin together.
Yeah.
Like, there was like loads of arguments that even I got involved with, and you were still like, I'm gonna take this bitch's side! And I was like, thank you.
That's my friend. I'm gonna take her side whether she's right or wrong. That's my friend.
But like, sometimes it was with your friends too.
Yes.
We don't seem like the kind of people that would be friends.
No, we wouldn't. But you can say the same thing about me and Fatima. And
no, I see you and Fatima. You're both very fashion forward in the same sense. You're both
cunts.
I don't know Fatima that well to call her a cunt.
I know her that well.
No, but you both kind of have that energy about you that people like, you know.
Let's want a rib. Should we have a rib?
Yeah, sure.
Let's have a rib, guys. Okay, you pick a rib.
Yet. Oh my god, this stuff.
It's sticky, girl.
It's sticky.
There you go. I'll have this one. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, that had a nice sound, man. Okay, let's try that.
They're good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, weird gut nose.
Oh, they are good. Oh my god. Oh, you eat the... Oh my god, I'm so proud of you. Most white people don't do that. I'm like, oh my god, just eat the friggin' cartilage. It's the healthy part.
Why are you eating that? I mean, they do say the camera puts on 10 stone.
Just a smidge. Oh my god, I'm sweating like a friggin' pig. Oh, it's so warm.
Looks about to whistle.
I bet you nobody's gonna watch this. Like, oh my god, this is crazy.
I'm gonna tell everyone about it.
I'll post it on my... Oh my god.
That's a good ass rib.
It is. I just had 2 already. Oh my god.
How can you eat so quick? The secrets. No.
I really do love that. That was so good.
That's nice, yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do about this.
Oh my god, just leave it until a little bit later. Maybe we'll get hungry.
It was at this moment he knew.
Oh my god, is that a hair? What the fuck is that?
It's a pube. It's like scaly. It was scaly.
Oh, that was nasty. It's a
Ew.
pube.
I think it's a pube.
Oh no! Oh my god, it's up my nose. I can feel right to this.
Fucking pubes. Ew. That's
No,
gross. The pubes is up her nose, guys.
You know where they should be.
Ew.
Fuck. Heavy man cough.
This reaps. This reaps.
These weebs.
The ribs is so good.
Oh.
Your party, right?
Oh.
Oh my
Can you
god.
get greasy hands off?
I'm not touching you, you damn cow. Okay.
Right.
So what happened?
She's so rude. I hate
Like, you know
her.
when we
She's
all get
so
teenagers
ugly.
to do
But
things.
she's my best friend.
Welcome to mine. And I had this house party and like 40, 50 people were supposed to turn up. Half of Swansea turns up, so like 100 odd people turned up.
It was crazy meeting us to myself.
Now I'm good. And,
We just had to move some of the food because we are finished.
okay, Caitlin, time for dinner.
Oh my god.
Anyway, continuing with your story.
Okay, so it was one of the best house parties I've ever been to. And
Thank you.
She knows that he's been to a lot of house parties. Like, it was so much fun. Like, I got so wasted. Like, white girl wasted on the floor. I threw up everywhere.
I got taken home in a police car and I was like, I've been spiked in the back of the car.
I mean, spite. Oh my god.
I thought
It was so much fun. I danced.
I danced. I made out with some creepy guy, which is trans.
I just remember having a rave because Bobby came with me. Bobby in my previous videos came with me to that party because I was like, Bobby, let's go crash. And then we were having like a mini sesh on our own in the toilet on the gram. And like we were like talking and there was shit in the toilet.
Oh, that was nasty.
Who shit in the gloves? Who did that?
Oh my god, I opened the door in the passage and somebody had shit in a blue glove and put it behind the door. But like not
How did, like, the thing is, how did you know it was shit?
because like what was in the glove. I didn't open the glove, but you could see it was brown shit in the glove. And
Shit in a glove.
The thing is-
That's the kind of shit in a glove.
Mukbang featuring shit in a glove.
Oh my god.
And oh my god. And it wasn't like they'd taken a shit in the glove, it was like they wiped their ass with the glove. Which was real
Was there no
nice.
toilet paper?
There was.
Oh no.
We literally went and stocked up on toilet paper, scared this was gonna happen, although that's
What,
a
a
dumb
shit in a glove? You were scared of a shit in a glove?
No, we were scared that people were gonna use towels and shit, because you don't know what nasty ass people live in this world. And you don't know what people do when they're drunk. I mean, we've all done weird shit when
Yeah.
we're drunk. Like, I've run through a park with no shoes, shouting, "Where's my shoes?" for half an hour when they've been in my hand. So, yeah, my feet here.
Okay, yeah, that shit, that was all in one party. So I was dancing my head off, I was having the time of my life. I lost Bobby, don't know where the fuck she went. So then I called some people to come get me.
Get me.
Because I was scared because the police came and I was not having it because...
He don't deal with police.
Do you see this face?
That's the face of, like, on a poster, wanted
Innocent.
for murder.
Innocence here, like, he has his background checked, like, for every job that he goes for because he does jobs like that.
He a good noodle, basically.
No! And if they found out that I was arrested because of a shit in a glove, I don't know, that's not gonna look good. I'm gonna get fired, and I just can't.
Iamsanglewis, you have been removed from your stall for shitting in a glove.
I just don't like the place. So
Fuck the police.
Yeah.
Sang in peace.
so I just no. I wasn't dealing with that. Didn't somebody shag in your grandmother's?
Oh,
bedroom?
yeah, 2 people did actually.
Ew.
At the same time. Which is so funny. My mate, we're not going to name names because I feel like that's
Totally name names.
digging too deep.
Totally name names. I feel like they won't mind. I know who it is. I don't think they mind.
No, because the other person probably would mind.
So just name one of the names.
So basically, there was this girl and she got this guy into the room and she shagged someone the same place where my grandfather died, which was like, whew, lol, not gonna lie, never met the man.
Yeah, but still.
Yeah, I'm harsh though.
How do you see your dead, folks? People.
And the other person was a guy who was in front of mine. He had this girl and he took her to the bed and they were doing stuff in bed and these other people who I mentioned before were doing things by like the door and oh my god. The guy, right, that the girl was with in the first story had a bit of a situation downstairs and they were all creasing about it apparently. And it was
Wait, what situation? No, what situation?
his dick couldn't get out.
Oh no! เป็นอย่างเนี้ยหนูถ่ายวิดีโออยู่
Some Asian shit. Wait.
You good? No, you're not. You're not, baby, and it's okay. You're not good, and it's okay. You don't need to be good all the time. It's okay to not be good.
Wanna come on up and fuck me in the ass sometime.
So where were we in the story?
Yeah, so he couldn't get a hard on.
His tingle.
And he was like-
No, his tingle didn't pringle.
His tingle didn't pringle. He was like, oh, come on, you filthy blah blah.
Wait.
And everyone was laughing because he was getting so frustrated.
Wait, everybody was seeing him.
No,
choking
the
the chicken?
4 in the room saw him. Well, 3, including
And
himself.
then they went to tell everyone.
No, but it was my house party, so I just found out.
He couldn't get his tingle to dingle. Yeah, that party was lit.
It was a good time.
It had everything that I could ever wanted for a fucking party.
Every fucking thing. It was good. It was just like it was my first house party, and it went really well. My last house party too.
Wait, I wasn't invited to that. Oh wait.
Please put that in.
Am I okay? Like, am I okay generally? Like, did I even like what? Like, you.
For you.
I love you too.
Farted.
You're nasty. Ew.
Put that in the video. We'll fucking neck you.
Ew. That's even worse than killing me.
I was thinking about the fucking house party.
Oh my god.
I meant to say kill.
And then you said naked. That's nasty.
That is nasty as shit.
So thank you so much you guys for watching. This was just a random video of us eating and talking shit.
Yeah, Tom.
Like I said before, make sure you follow Roxanne on Instagram at daddyvolvic.
Yeah.
And also me, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, whatever. YouTube, subscribe at Iamsanglewis. And make sure you guys subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.